So most people solve this question like 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Then 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Now 0 multiply 6 is equal to also 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis, right? So is equal to 7 minus 7. Now solve this parenthesis, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Now here we have one subtraction and here multiplication. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this multiplication, right? So 7 multiply 6 is equal to 42. So 7 minus 42. Now 7 minus 42 is equal to minus 36. Right? So the correct answer is minus 36. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.